Hey, hey, Roy,
Yeah.
what about her?
Uh,
Not bad.
if you don't like teeth,
Okay, all right. Let her pass. Oh, I see. Susan's here.
yeah. Guess you don't like knees.
You're right. You're right. Yeah, Susan's no good. What is Jackie gonna be here?
Oh, Jackie says she was coming, but Jackie never does anything she says she's gonna do. So, you know,
Wait, what
don't
you mean?
count on it.
What you mean? What you mean? She's always lying to you, huh? Is
Well, I
that it?
mean, she always says she's gonna do something, and she never does it. I'll just learn not. I don't count on her. Don't do it.
For example,
What? Like one time, she was like, "Oh, you struggle with math, right? Uh, let me put all these beads across my breasts, and you can use me as a human abacus." And I was like, "I can't count on you. Not even like that."
wait a moment. Wait a moment. How does bees translate to an abacus?
No beads, like beads that you could make a necklace out of.
She put a bunch of bees around her chestal area.
Yeah, and you can slide them. You can slide them as you're counting.
Gentlemen, these two nice beverages are from the two nice ladies across the way.
Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Rude.
Do you know that?
No, but I like to get to know them.
What say you and me walk over there right now and just put our cards all on the table?
I mean, it is a new year.
It's a new year.
I mean, if
What do we have to lose, huh?
oh, absolutely nothing, not my virginity.
Wait a minute. So you don't have your virginity? Is that what you
No,
said?
I don't. Nope. Not at all.
What happened to our bet?
Well, I lost it. Um, it was the same night I was trying to count on Jackie, and let's just say
Was it the bees?
I cared a lot less about math that night and more about woodworking.
I haven't. I finished this one, but
This is the look. That is the same girl, and oh, that is the other one.
all right. Roy? Will you be my wingman? Will you help
Oh,
me? You've had your big night. I have never gotten to do this. I've been a virgin my entire life.
you know, I feel horrible about not telling you that I was not joining you in that venture anymore. But
That
I
was
would love.
years ago with Jackie. Oh God. All right. Thank you.
I think it's gonna happen whether we want it to or not. Because she is she is fully nude.
That can't be legal. Whoa.
It's not. It's not. But who at this point? Who cares? I mean, I'm not a virgin. I don't know math. You're a virgin. You got a girl that is into you. Now you've got a bartender who is also into you.
Hey, land in the plane, or it's him, that girl, and me tonight.
So it's all three of you. I'm fine with that.
So you don't mind? I'm not leaving you in a lurch.
Even if you were, it's your time. It's 2021. It is your time to shine.
What? All right. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go talk to her.
You do it. Oh, Actually, why don't you stay here? I'll go get her.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'll stay here. I'll finish off a little bit of this. Oh, I'm getting a little lightheaded now.
Hey, can you go talk to him? Yeah, you with the shirt off. Go
You
talk
want
to
me
him.
you want me to talk to your friend?
Yeah, he would like to meet you.
Well, I was buying drinks for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do you know how to be an abacus?
I love abacus.
I'd love to abacus your breasts.